Right, so it's the 17th of October 2016. Let's have a look at this week's trades of the week. It's still relatively quiet in terms of new trades at the moment, but I do think that we're starting to see a little bit of life. On our end of day trading, we had 2 or 3 new trades trigger on Thursday of last week and about 4 trigger on Friday night's close as well. So we're starting to see a little bit of life coming back into the trading opportunities and the turning points in the markets, which is really what we're looking for. So but here's a look at a few trades from that closed out last week. Starting off with sterling yen, short from 127.84. This is what we call a continuation trade, longer term trends in a downtrend, as you might have expected with the likes of sterling yen, and resuming that longer term downtrend from last Friday. What a move down that was, and you're thinking, wow, can it really carry on further lower? But it has done. We've got that entry short there from 127.84, the market going on further. 95 points was our objective on that one, and ended up picking up a decent profit inside 1-2 trading days there. Euro Aussie was also a nice short trade as well, another continuation trade as we once again started to resume those longer term trends, the downtrend on the monthly and the weekly being resumed on the daily charts here, closing down there from 145.52. That was a 61 point winner there on Euro Aussie as well. Market moving horribly against us for the first bar before on Friday, moving significantly lower, moving well beyond our objective there. So bouncing a little bit, but it doesn't matter what it does from now. We're already out and we've already picked up our 61 points of profit. So a couple of reasonable trades there, and as I say, what has been relatively quiet in trading terms for the trend signal end of day trading strategies. A nice move for copper though, certainly. We had that trade trigger on the 4th of October, 216.90. Moving nicely for the first couple of days before rallying dramatically against us, and you're thinking, oh no, is it going to work, is it not? But our short entry from here, moving effectively sideways for a couple of days, falling nicely on Thursday, Friday, moving down to our target there. In copper, that was a 369 pip point gain on copper there. Now it does move in 5-point increments, so it works out a little bit differently in terms of points gained, but 369 points as far as the chart is concerned. So moving short from 216.90, moving down to an objective of around about 213. That's moving down nicely come Thursday of last week. So that was pretty good. As far as open positions go, as I said earlier, quite a few new trades coming through at the moment. Let's have a look at 1 or 2 of those now. First of all, looking at Euro New Zealand, down 70 ticks today from which we opened on Sunday actually. So we're short from 154.71. Moving on pretty nicely to current trading. So we're healthily up on this swing trade at the moment. Then let's have a look at a few snipers. FTSE short. Bringing that chart there, short on the FTSE. See the big disc on the chart, the green to red indicators. Short FTSE 69.97, looking for a 100-point target on this one. Currently up, sort of 10-15 points or so at this point. So relatively early in its trading career. And then we look at finally UK oil, short Thursday of last week, 51.94, looking for 100 points on this one. We're currently up about 60 pips on this one, 60-70 points, so moving very much in the right direction. And that's really it as far as opportunities. We've still got a few others open at the moment, relatively new, but there's a good handful of trades that have closed out in the last week and a few trades that have just triggered as well. So plenty to keep us occupied with, and hopefully some decent profits to talk about next week. So that's this week's Trades of the Week, 17th of October 2016.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.